Hey guys, Cherene Francis here. Today I want to share with you how I produced my first short. So as you may have known from my past video, I was in a producer mentorship, actually two. I did 3 months at one getting all the theory, and I got another 3 months thereafter getting all the mentorship and the doing part of producing. And this really helped me up level my current skills. As you know, I've already produced a TV series, which was more of like a real talk show, and so this was a little different because it was what you call scripted content, where we were actually working on a fictional story. So I didn't write it. I connected with someone at a networking event that I really vibed with, and she is just a brilliant woman. She was the writer and the director, and she approached me to be a mother in the film. And I was like, yeah, I'll play the mom. I'm always looking to do some cool acting jobs. And what was awesome was that she didn't have a producer. And I had this experience. And plus, I was going through these mentorship programs. And so I was like, do you have a producer? Do you want me to produce it for you? And she said, yes. And it was so great because we totally clicked. I had all the business skills and the mentorship and the network to support what we wanted to do. And she had all the creativity around editing, directing, and just, all around. She's like a superstar. Like, I can't wait to introduce you. So we got into development, which is a phase of preparing to shoot the film. And this took us about 6 months. We started in January and we shot in July. And it was really like a lot of work. We had Zoom meetings every week, planning in terms of all the shots we need. What was the shot list going to look like? What was the day going to look like in terms of shooting it over 3 days? We needed to get the locations, contracts with all the actors, contracts with all the people that were going to be filming, the production team. We had to just get all the nitty gritty outline. One of our biggest challenges is we were working with drones. So we had to really sort out how that was going to play out, making sure that we had the streets blocked off, make sure that we have insurance and all those safety protocols in place. Another thing was because most of the film was outside, we also had to set up dates, like contingency plans, just in case it rained.
I was super stressed out, but
I'm so glad that we were thorough with the planning, because when we got to set, it was so organized, and oh my God, like, I'm so proud of myself. Anyway, so I want to know, what do you do if you've ever produced a short film to make sure that you get all the shots and that you are adequately prepared for your production day? Let me know in the comments. Everyone was safe. No one got sick. Well, there was someone that was sick, but not from our set. They got sick at home with something else, not the vid. It was something else. But anyways, we had backup, right? We had a team that really worked well together. We did have some personality challenges here and there, but I think because I'm really good at listening and being compassionate and really trying to strike a really good harmony with everybody, I was able to really hold our team together for the full 3 days. Biggest takeaway: have lots of snacks, lots of food. Do not skimp on the food. People were well fed, feeling good, feeling energized. We stayed on time. I was so strict with timelines, and we got everything done on time. We didn't have to come back another day to do alternate shootings. We got everything we needed. So yay to the team. If you do have any questions, just put them in the comments and I'll be sure I get to them and share at least my experience. So I'm so glad that we got all the shots we need. Currently, we are in post-production. My director is also editing and doing all of the putting together of all the shots. We have our festival, our film festival plan. We're developing that right now. And we also have like marketing and creating a plan for how we're going to promote and really just bring this short to the world. I'm so excited. I am so proud that this leap that I did, like that I just jumped right into it. My biggest advice is, don't overthink it. Get as much help as needed, ask questions, which is what I did, and plan, and stick to the plan and the schedule, no matter what, because there were times when we could have rearranged things, etc. No, stick to the plan because you already have contingencies in place. If you stick to the plan, you know that you're going to get everything you need and done. So I can't wait to get this short out to you. I will let you know when it is, but that was my first experience producing my own short film. You know what? And if you want more tips like this, then go ahead, drop them in the comments. I will make sure that I answer your questions. Thanks so much for following me on the journey. If you like this video and you want more like this, just hit the thumbs up button, subscribe, get that bell notification on, and you will be notified whenever I post another video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.